If your Navien Tankless water heater displays error code E003, it means the unit is experiencing an ignition failure. In simple terms, the heater is unable to ignite the burner, which means no hot water will be produced. When this happens, you'll typically see E003 on the display panel, and the system will stop attempting to fire for safety reasons. Ignition failures usually stem from a few key areas. Gas supply issues are the most common cause. This could mean the gas valve is partially closed, gas pressure is too low, or the fuel source is empty. Another frequent culprit is a worn igniter or dirty flame sensor. The igniter generates the spark to light the burner, while the flame rod confirms that ignition actually occurred. If either component fails, the system shuts down. Blocked air intake or exhaust vents can also prevent proper combustion, and loose wiring or electrical faults may interrupt the ignition sequence. To troubleshoot, start by confirming the gas valve is fully open and that other gas appliances in your home are working properly. Next, inspect and clean the air intake filter to ensure unrestricted airflow. Check visible wiring connections around the igniter and flame rod for looseness or corrosion. Also, examine the vent pipes for debris or blockages that could interfere with combustion. After completing these checks, reset the unit and see if normal operation resumes. Routine annual maintenance is the best way to prevent E003 from recurring. Mineral buildup, dust accumulation, and component wear can gradually increase the risk of ignition problems. Flushing the system, cleaning filters, and inspecting ignition parts yearly helps maintain reliability and efficiency. If the error persists after basic checks, contact a certified technician, as ignition systems involve gas and electrical components that require professional handling.